Hi, this is Courtney with GrayLaw TV. Thank you for watching, and a special shout out to all of our subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and you can also hit that notification bell so that you can be the first to see our videos when they come out. And if you go to the premieres that are on Wednesday afternoons or evenings Pacific Standard Time, Humberto and I live chat during those. So you can ask any immigration question you like and get an answer right away on premiere days. Today, I want to talk to you about how to find a good lawyer. As our subscribers know, I'm not doing this video because I want you to hire us. If you look around, you won't see our contact information even on this page. We don't include it. Fortunately, we're fully booked, but we do these videos because we saw a lot of misinformation on the internet. And our clients were coming to us and they were saying, but I read here and I read there and it was completely wrong. So we wanted to create a place where there was some actual true, correct, valuable information that would help people navigate the immigration process. There are 5 things that I would look for if I were looking for a lawyer. The first thing, you want to look at their practice areas. What is their specialty? Okay, so you don't want to hire somebody whose, specialty is personal injury or, family or divorce to do your immigration case. You want to hire somebody who really their specialty is immigration. And it's okay if they're, it's sort of a bigger firm and they do multiple things, as long as one of the things listed, one of their specialty areas that they really do work in on a regular basis is immigration. They have an immigration department or an immigration focused lawyer that's going to be working with you. Okay. So you want to make sure that they are well versed in immigration law. Number 2, make sure the firm is reputable. Make sure the lawyer is reputable. And so you can often go to the state bar website. In the attorney search, put in an attorney's name. Number 1, you want to make sure that they're an attorney, because unfortunately in the immigration space, there are a lot of people who say they are attorneys or say that they can represent you or help you, and they're not actually lawyers. So first you want to make sure that they are a lawyer, and then you want to check, scroll down and check and see if they've had any discipline. If they paid their bar fees late, not a big deal, but if they've stolen people's money, that'll be listed there. You want to see if there's been any disciplinary action against the lawyer and what for. Another thing you can do to determine a lawyer's reputation is to go online. These days there are reviews on everything, including lawyers. So you want to go check the public's reviews of them and see if they have a good reputation, if they've been helping people, what people have to say about them. Sometimes people have like a 1 or a 2-star. You really want to read what people say, because sometimes it's, they don't have good parking. Who cares? If they can really do the job, you could probably get over the parking. So read what people have to say about them. Were they successful for them? Were they good to work with? Number 3, ask around. Talk to your family. Talk to your friends. Has anybody been in your situation before? Did they have a lawyer that they used that they liked who was successful for them? Word of mouth that's all we do at our firm. Our clients come from people who we've worked with before, from family, from friends, okay? People who hear of us through the grapevine. We don't advertise, and that really is the best recommendation that you can get, is from somebody who's actually gone through the process, used the lawyer, and had a good experience. Okay, so ask your family and friends, ask around and see who they worked with, who was good. Now, if you have, family in North Carolina and they love their lawyer, but you're moving to LA, you know what? It really doesn't make a difference. Immigration is federal law. Anyone in any state can help you. And if you're abroad, you're not really going to be in their office and working with them, on a regular basis anyway. If you're already in the United States and you really want to meet somebody and work with them hands-on and have a rapport with them, then you might want to find somebody local. But we have clients from all over the world and all over the United States. Do you want to use a lawyer that's in your home country to help you immigrate to the United States? Maybe. I've helped people immigrate to the UK, to Canada, because I'm well versed in that. I always use a specialist in country. I always partner with somebody when I do that, because I want to make sure, my focus area is United States immigration. I want to make sure that, all the T's are crossed and I's are dotted, okay? So when I do that, I do partner with somebody, but it is possible that you can use, if you are working with a lawyer in your home country, if that's what they do, they specialize in helping people immigrate to the United States and they're well-versed there, that's something that you consider doing, but you might want to get somebody who's in the United States to help you. Number 4, check their rate. Look at the way they structure their fees. A lot of lawyers will give you an hourly rate. You can ask them, how many hours do you expect this case to take? How many hours it takes also depends on you. Do you think you're gonna be somebody who wants to talk to them a lot, send a lot of emails, and then do the math and make sure that that's, affordable to you, and over how long a period of time do they expect that to take? So you're going to pay X amount over the next 2 years, or if you're going to need to pay, a flat fee up front. So in the immigration space, a lot of lawyers, including us, charge a flat fee. So you know exactly how much it's going to cost for what. In that flat fee, for our firm anyhow, we include phone calls, we include emails, we include FedEx fees, whatever it is, that's all included. What is separate are the USCIS filing fees, and that will probably be for almost every firm that you talk to. So make sure you know what those are and add that onto the number to make sure that you feel comfortable with it, okay? If you have an employment case, there are some other fees that can come up, including advertisement fees if you're doing a labor certification, that sort of thing. So think all of that through. Make sure that it's a number that feels comfortable for you. You can ask. Some firms will do, zero interest sort of payment plan and sort of stretch it out for you so it's not so much all at once, but other places want it all up front. So those are questions to ask when you're talking to a lawyer to make sure that you're going to be comfortable with the fees. Number 5, talk to them. Schedule an appointment, a consultation. A lot of places will do a consultation without a fee. Some, there's a fee associated with the consultation. Make sure you're comfortable with that. Make sure that they have a good vibe, that you feel good about working with this person long term on your case. Make sure that they're responsive, that it didn't take, a million years to get them on the phone and get an appointment. Some places might feel like a factory to you, or some places might feel too big. Some places might feel too small. You want to make sure that you feel like you're working with somebody who cares about you and your family and your case, who also is knowledgeable and can get you to where you need to go. In the immigration space, do you need a lawyer? A lot of people navigate immigration just fine on their own, particularly if they don't have any, issues about entry or removal or criminal matters. I know a lot of people who thought that they could navigate it on their own, and then they become our clients because it's gotten messy, right? And they need to unravel what's been done. I would advise, and as a human being, based on what I've seen over 15 years of practicing in this space, if you can easily and comfortably hire a lawyer, I would suggest that you do it. Okay, because the immigration space is very convoluted. It's like tax. It's tricky. Okay, and so if you can outsource that to somebody who's highly knowledgeable, who knows all the tips and tricks, it'll save you a lot of time and headache and effort in the long end. I think it's a very stressful process, right? And what I say to all of our clients is, outsource your stress. Let me worry about it. Let me hold the panic button. I'll take care of it, and you concentrate on building your life. If it's not within your realm of possibility, please know that there are a lot of really good organizations that do pro bono work, like Catholic Charities, like Public Counsel, like the Poverty Law Center. And then you can also take a look at our videos and do a bit of research online. There's lots of good information on the USCIS website, and try to navigate the system on your own. So I hope that was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching GrayLaw TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.